Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I want to show how to create this 3D map animation with After Effects and Element 3D. Let's get started. So friends, after finish video, I will share all project files for download. First one, let's select this China map and move the inside our composition. Okay, then select this image layer, go to layer and click auto trace. Then select this apply to new layer and select channel alpha, click OK. Nice. Select this image and delete. Then let's create new layer, right mouse, new and solid layer. Add name element 3D and change color black, click OK, again click OK. Then go to effects and select video copilot, go to click element. So in this time open here and open custom text and mask. Select path layer 1, select none and click auto trace China.png. Then go to scene setup. And let's click extrude. Okay, very nice and very easy. So let's try change bevel scale like this. Okay, nice. Let's click OK. Then back to project. Select this texture layer. This is China flag and move the inside here for create new composition. Okay, so back to 3D composition and select this texture composition. Move the inside here and hide layer. Select this element 3D layer. Back to FX control and open custom layers. Let's open custom texture maps and click none. Let's select texture. Okay, so back to scene setup and now let's open inside here. Select this material. Okay, and click non set for diffuse. We have diffuse channel, glossiness and normal map, environment, and I want to set up diffuse map. Let's click here, select this custom layer 1, texture. Okay, click OK. Nice. So let's click this icon and close this grid. Click this checkbox. Nice. And click show ambient occlusion. Okay, very good. And in this time select this model and let's click this icon for go to UV mapping. Let's click texture mapping and select UV. Then change this 1.46 and change this 1.39. Okay, and change this 0.02 and this minus 0.77. Okay, very good. Also for better result we can play these settings. Let's move the inside this. Move to center. Okay, very good. But let's try move to left. Okay, nice. So let's select this material and let's change reflective. Let's change 3. Nice. And go to presets, environment. Open here backlight environments. And let's use HDR for environment. Let's click this. Okay, not bad. And change glossiness like this. Let's see. Okay, 80 is good. So click OK. Nice. And let's make a simple animation. Close these settings and open World Transform. Okay, I will use World Position Z. like this. And don't forget to select this auto trace and hide layer. Then back to again element 3D. Let's see. Okay, nice. And let's go to here. Let's change quality to quarter. Make world position Z keyframe. And press U for see new keyframes. And go to first second. Let's move to back. Like this. Let's see. Okay, say keyframes, make ease. Go to graph editor. And let's make graph like this. Okay. Back to keyframes. And let's open world rotation. Okay, and let's go to here. Make year rotation. And let's press U for see new rotation keyframes. Okay, let's go to here and change this 100. Okay, nice. So select these keyframes, make ease. And select these keyframes, move to the left. And back to graph editor. Let's make graph like this. Or let's try this. Okay, let's back to keyframes. And go to here, select this first position keyframe. And let's try change like this. Let's see. Okay, that's right, but I want to hide this part. So let's make world position keyframe. And press U for see new keyframes again. Move to right. And go to here and move to left. Okay, that's good. Let's select keyframes, make ease, and move to left first keyframe. Let's see. Okay, nice. And let's enable motion blur. Nice, not bad. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.